So in the today's session, I am sharing few QA job openings from 0 to 3 years of experience candidate. Okay, so one of the top MNC companies hiring 1 to 3 years of experience in automation testing. Company name is Symphony AI. Okay, so job designation is a QA automation engineer. It is a full-time job opportunity and work location is Bangalore, guys. Okay, and the requirements you can see here in the right side 1 to 3 years of functional and integration test automation experience targeting web, Windows application, and services. That means Microsoft related project, guys. Okay, so you must have uh, you should have good relevant experience in automation testing with C sharp programming language. So you can see here 1 to 2 years C sharp experience is required. Experience with Visual Studio unit testing. Okay, experience in API testing. Experience with the SQL Server, including database creation and management. Okay, agile methodology, analytical skills. Okay, all these skills. So if you have relevant experience in QA automation testing along with Selenium automation testing with C sharp programming language, then this job is for you guys. So if these skills are not matched for your skill set, then someone is looking for in your network, you can share this video link to other persons who are eagerly waiting for this kind of job opportunities relevant to 1 to 3 years of experience candidate. Okay, and the next job is the company is Altair company. So this company is hiring QA engineer, software QA engineer. Okay, work location is Pune, and the skills are required like 0 to 3 years of software QA testing, good understanding of QA software testing, knowledge of any coding language such as C sharp, Java, and Python, knowledge of any automation framework such as Selenium, Catalan, BDD. Okay, so if your skill set are matched and if you are completed your training Selenium with Java or Selenium with Python or Selenium with C sharp in automation testing skills and you are entry level candidate, then this job is for you guys. Okay, anyhow, I will share this link in the video description. You can happily apply for the job as well. And next one is Qatar Airways company is looking for 2 years of experience in testing. Overall experience in 2 years of testing. Okay, so now let's see minimum. Now let's see what are the main qualifications required. Bachelor degree, minimum 2 years of relevant job related experience, good understanding of test methodology and test practices. Okay, and conduct a production log analysis and workload modeling. Coordinate with the test lead to prepare performance test plan, strategy, and effort estimation. Create, enhance, or review performance test scripts, JMeter or stress simulate or PT. Okay, okay. So they mostly looking for who have relevant skills like performance testing skills. And the next job is Bold company. So Bold company is hiring SDET or SDET 2 engineer. Uh, Work location is Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Now let us see what are the minimum skills are required. 2+ years coding experience in one or more of the language Java, C sharp, .NET or C++. 2+ years test automation experience, enhancing test harness framework. Strong knowledge of QA methodology and tools. UI and or API level test automation expertise. Experience with web services technology like XML, REST, SOAP. Experience with the open source tools framework like Postman, JUnit, NUnit, TestNG, Selenium. Okay, so if we have relevant experience as a SDET engineer, SDET engineer, then you can apply for the job. I will share this link in the video description. You can check it out, guys. Okay, and one more job is like AMD company is hiring software development engineer too. So this is a fresher job role, guys. Completely fresher job role. So if we are good in knowledge on, so if you have good knowledge and hands-on experience C, C++, system C or Python, then you can apply for the job, guys. Okay, so bachelor's or master degree in electronics, computer science or related technical discipline is preferable. Okay, so that's all, guys, for this session. I hope these videos definitely feel helpful to you. Okay, so if anyone's skills are not matched on these job roles, then you can share to your social networking platform who are eagerly looking for these kind of job roles, guys. Okay, so if you really love this content, don't forget hit the like button, and I will come back with one more great content video. Thank you very much.